Hello, how are you today? I hope everything is fine. Grapes with the Latin name Vitis Vinivera are rich in magnesium, especially in the skin. Grapes play a good role in maintaining the health and function of the kidneys, cleaning the bladder and calming the nerves so they don't spasm. The water contained in grapes removes stubborn fat deposits from various parts of the body. Other grapes contain polyphenols, pectin, tannins and vitamin C. Here are the extraordinary benefits of grapes. 1. Asthma. Wine has assimilation power which can increase the water content in the lungs. This is very good for asthma because it can reduce the problem of shortness of breath. Antibacterial. Red wine has strong antibacterial and antiviral properties, so it can protect the body from infection. 3. Alzheimer's disease. Studies show that grapes can improve brain health and prevent Alzheimer's disease. This is because grapes contain resveratrol, a polyphenol that reduces the levels of amyloid beta peptide in people with Alzheimer's disease. 4. Breast cancer. Studies also show that purple grape juice helps prevent breast cancer by significantly reducing tumor mass in the breast. 5. Heart disease. The properties of grapes are beneficial because eating grapes increases the levels of nitric oxide in the blood, which helps prevent blood clots and reduces the risk of heart disease. Antioxidants can also stop the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which clogs blood vessels. 6. Digestion. If you have digestive problems, you should eat grapes. Grapes are also good for stomach problems. Thank you for watching. Hopefully today is better than yesterday.